Good afternoon. My name is John Teeter. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer at Malka. We are presenting this webinar in support of your city's opportunity to participate in the California Energy Commission's Small Grant Leadership Challenge. We hope you'll join with our team in preparing your city's strategic energy management plan, benchmarking and achieving significant energy efficiencies for buildings in your city. I would like to first introduce you to Dixon Wright, whose focus on data interoperability and standards has been critical in providing the opportunity to apply these technologies to the domain of built space sustainability. Dixon?
Yes, thank you, John. First off, welcome everybody to the Local Government Challenge webinar so that we can share with you our strategy for submitting on March 6th a formal submission to the California Energy Commission. Our goal here today is to not only provide some information to the live audience, but also we're recording this because of quite a number of people have asked to be able to log in later and look at it at their convenience. So we appreciate the live audience, and we certainly look for your engagement. We particularly appreciate those that are going to be looking at this later on. And we encourage you, as you look at this, to please reach out to us and ask us questions offline. And certainly we would encourage your participation to be part of us on the March 6th submission. As John mentioned, I've been active as part of my community service, helping to improve access to surety credit for small business. And the way that worked was basically by trying to reduce some of the redundancy in the manual processing through data interoperability. If we can do that, there's a number of benefits that can be resolved. So in working with the Department of Energy on how we could possibly improve solar bankability by having that efficiency, John and I got acquainted through the Green Button, which is a data effort by the DOE to create a data set for energy consumption. That data set produced by the DOE has created over 150 some odd applications now that do data analytics and provide value to that data. That's the exciting part about this webinar. While there may be talk about data and data standards, what we're really talking about is the potential that can be unleashed. So when you look at John's presentation, you'll recognize that the information is going to be far beyond just the energy efficiency, because the energy efficiency is going to create the opportunity for more solar projects to get built. And when more solar projects get built, more solar contractors are hired, more employees are hired. What this really is an employment opportunity and a creating for opportunities in the solar business. So one of the things that we've been very active in is trying to promote open standards so that data can freely be exchanged between stakeholders, but also to promote the innovation. And as part of that innovation, one of the things that we've been supporting is a STEM education program up at University of California at Chico. And Jerry, I'll turn it over to you to introduce that part.
Sure, thanks, Dixon. Sorry I don't have a video connect for everyone. This data interoperability effort fits hand in glove with our applied experience orientation here at Chico State. So Dixon has provided for years, for 15 years, successive years, has provided the challenge, the framework for student projects, and has helped coalesce the resources so we can put these application challenges on the table for students to attack. The output in terms of career impact has been tremendous. Every single one of the students that's been involved in the projects are on, a career trajectory that are, will quickly go past mine and Dixon's and our own here in short order. So it's been a great affiliation to see the project come this far. This cat herd, as Dixon calls it, keeps getting bigger, and the challenge itself becomes more complex. And in my new role here on campus, this has been an College of Engineering centric project for literally the last 15 years. My role on campus has shifted to much more of a cross-disciplinary focus and more of a town gown kind of collaborative focus. And Chris Constantine is my partner, the assistant manager at the city there. And this presents itself on the face of it to be the kind of opportunity that will provide both student experience that's central to the things that I engage in, but also something that could greatly benefit and make the city much more efficient, and maybe even possibly plant the leadership flag for our city in this space. So that's kind of my interest in this conversation and my participation in this chat today.
Thank you, Jerry. And this is John Teeter. I'm the CIO of Malka. Malka is a startup. We're 2 years old. We've done significant work with both the Department of Energy and also with the Northwest Energy Efficiency Alliance, the City of Chicago, New York City, Washington, D.C. We are in the space of helping people both articulate and then achieve their energy goals with respect to the built space, focused primarily on commercial buildings, but we've worked with benchmarking initiatives pretty much across the land in various different jurisdictional sizes. I have with me today Kim Baker, who's the managing partner of Green Steps. Kim, you want to